Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Claude Ball here, veteran realtor at your service. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a tour of this stunning brand new home, as well as its features, price tag, and incentives. Get ready for a taste of the Avalon 2 floor plan. This home could be yours. Welcome to the Avalon 2, a floor plan crafted by Dreamfinders Homes. This lovely home features 5 beds, 4 baths, and a 3-car garage, with the backyard large enough to create your own oasis. Step into the epitome of move-in ready elegance. Feast your eyes on this stunning, abode boasting A-chef style kitchen that will make your culinary dreams come true. Imagine yourself effortlessly gliding across sleek quartz countertops, while the built-in gas stovetop with 5 burners beckons you to unleash your inner gourmet. Let's not forget the cleverly concealed dishwasher nestled beneath the jaw-dropping island, ensuring that cleanup is a breeze, leaving you more time to savor the fruits of your culinary labor. As you venture further, prepare to be enchanted by the expansive family room, offering an abundance of space that invites you to let loose and indulge in spontaneous dance sessions. In fact, I couldn't resist the urge to put it to the test myself. Let the rhythm of life flow freely in this captivating sanctuary, where every moment is infused with boundless possibilities and endless charm. Envision the boundless possibilities awaiting you in this enchanting backyard oasis. Whether you envision a serene sanctuary for relaxation, a lively space for entertaining, or a verdant garden paradise, the possibilities are limited only by your imagination. Embrace the potential of this backyard haven and let your dreams take root in this idyllic setting. Thank you so much for watching. If you received any value in today's video, please tap that like button and subscribe to the channel. Veteran Realtor at your service. See you on the next one.